What is my costume, you ask? I'm a mother straight man. Oh my god, I want to throw up. This fucking outfit is disgusting. Are you here looking for a last minute but decent looking Halloween costume? And no, I'm not going to show you how to put together a nerdy costume. That basic shit is not welcome in this house. I'm here today to show you 6 different super stylish and fashionable costumes that you can wear for Halloween. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below for more videos. I upload videos regularly every week. Also follow me on Instagram at berry.snatch.
I would definitely follow you back.
This nurse outfit is super easy to put together. Look for a white jacket or a white coat and some white pants, like what I'm wearing here. Since my outfit is all white, I decided to wear this white mask to match with the rest of my costume. Next, I'm putting on some white medical gloves because you don't want to touch any patients with your bare hands. To make the outfit a little bit more realistic, I put on this nurse costume hat. You can buy this hat everywhere, including Amazon, Target, or any costume retailers. You can also make this hat out of paper. There are a lot of tutorials on Google. Super easy, I promise. And to finish the look, I am wearing this pair of loafers. This costume makes me look like I'm working for an asylum or a scammy hospital. And that's why I like it. It's so easy to put together and definitely safe for you to attend any Halloween party since you have the mask on and you have the gloves to protect you from any sort of from the virus. If you don't feel like looking like a nurse, you can transform your costume into a scientist. Here I am taking off my nurse hat. I am changing my white mask to my medical mask so I can look a little bit more serious. Next, I'm putting on these safety goggles on top of my glasses. You want to put on the safety goggles because you want to keep your eyes safe when doing different experiments. I'm changing my pants from white to black, and here is the final look. I am now a scientist. Amazing, isn't it? What is H2O? Head to toe? NASA. NASA? No string attached. This outfit is also appropriate for you to attend any Halloween party in person. Just make sure to keep your mask on all the time. These next 2 looks are quite similar to each other, but they are very interesting looking. Attending your funeral. This is another simple and easy outfit. I don't know if you noticed, but every time there's this funeral, I don't know if you noticed, but every time there's a funeral scene in a movie or a TV show, you always see people wearing fancy black attire to attend the unfortunate event. For this costume, just put on the most dramatic looking black attire ever. The fancier it looks, the better. You should carry around some tissues as well and be ready to pretend to cry. For this costume, I'm just wearing this all black velveteen suit. And I'm putting this black lace all over my face for a more dramatic look. Please keep in mind this is not a face mask, it's just an accessory for my face, like I said, for a more dramatic look. If you have any fancy accessory, feel free to decorate your costume with them. The best part about your costume is that if someone asks you what is your costume, just tell them that you are attending their funeral. Creepy and dark. Just the right spirit for Halloween. Everyone knows American Horror Story, especially Season 3, Coven. Even though these witches wear all black, but they serve so many amazing looks every episode. It wasn't until Season 8 where they also introduced warlocks. I fell in love with the black attire. Billy Porter slayed every single look in that season. This show inspired me to put together this costume. You can dress up as a witch or a supreme witch. Just put together an all-black outfit. It cannot be boring though. It has to be an interesting and super stylish outfit. Something that makes you feel powerful, like a supreme when you put it on. This costume would be great if you have a small group of friends who would dress up with you. You can all walk together, serving different looks in black. Back in the 90s, women would wear a scarf around their head when they travel to secure the hair together, and if they have a bad hair day, a headscarf would be an easy and fashionable way to quickly fix the situation. So, for this costume, I am dressing up as a retro vintage person who is about to go on a trip. I will teach you how to wrap your headscarf in a fashionable way. So the first way is you would fold your scarf in half, creating this wide triangle. Next, wrap it around your head, then crisscross the end of the scarf. After that, just tie a knot or two on the back of your head, then tuck everything in for a neat and polished look. The second way you can wear your scarf is super easy. Same thing, fold your scarf in half, creating this wide triangle. Put it around your head and just quickly tie a knot in the middle. After that, just leave the tails out. And there we go. Find a vintage coat, put on some white gloves and some shades. Find a vintage looking bag and you are all set. Your outfit is complete. I really like this costume. It is super cute and adorable. The idea is unique and I believe it's not too hard for people to figure out your costume. And finally, the scariest costume of all time. Dressing up as a straight man. Fucking scary. Straight men are fucking scary, toxic, and untrustworthy. For this costume, just find the most boring, disgusting, basic looking outfit. Just look at the outfit. Disgusting. They really don't care what they wear, and that's fine. I have nothing to say about this outfit. Yeah, I have nothing to say about this outfit. To all of the amazing straight men out there, I am literally just kidding, so please don't cancel me. But you have to admit, the costume is fucking funny though. So, thank you so much for watching my video. This video was very fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed the costumes I put together. I also made 2 other videos that you can check out. That is if you want to look like a clown or an e-boy for Halloween. I will put the links in the description box below. With that said, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and
Happy Halloween!
bye! Boy, my back hurts.